Hey guys, Saving with Shay. I am at the Walmart for my video for this midweek. I almost wasn't even gonna do a video, y'all, but I was just like, man, I only need 5 rebates for $1. I'm not complaining because it's better than doing 10 to 15 rebates for $1, so definitely not complaining. But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, go ahead and take a second to subscribe. Also, make sure to smash the like button to support your girl, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss out on a video. I feel like there's not a lot going on. I definitely will have some repeats in the mix as well. The goal of today, to be honest, y'all, is to use the rest of my Mr. Clean coupons because it's a BOGO coupon, expires on the 14th, and I did some deals yesterday using the Revlon overage to help pay for the Mr. Clean. So yesterday I grabbed like 10 of them, and I grabbed like 10 of the Revlon, and it was perfect. And Revlon paid for Mr. Clean, ended up getting everything for free, practically free. Other than that, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and get in and get these deals because as you guys can see, it's raining and it's wet out. And, you know, us Californians don't know how to drive in the rain. So, I mean, I do. Because at heart, I'm not from California. I'm from somewhere else in the universe. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get in and get these deals. Alright, so my first deal is on the Jimmy bars again. They are priced for $4.29. It's only on the chocolate peanut butter one. And you're going to get back $4 on Ibotta, making this only 29 cents. Of course, if you don't have the one on clearance, you can always grab this one here for $1.23 after Ibotta rebate. So this next deal is on the Splenda. Big shout out to Saving with Danielle for this deal because your girl was in need of some Splenda. And I've been using the liquid kind, but I really don't like the aftertaste of it, so I was super stoked to see this deal. Alright, so it's on the Splenda package. They are priced at $4.67 for the 100 count box, and for this we're going to grab 2 of them. I'll be using this 4 off of 2 coupon from the Save 11-13. That's going to bring our total down to paying $5.34 out of pocket, but you'll get back $2 for each on Ibotta. It makes them 67 cents per box, which is, I think, a great price, so I'm going to go ahead and just grab 4 of them. Now this one right here also works for this deal, and it's $4.12. If you grab 2 of those, use the same 4 off of 2 coupon, it would make those about 12 cents each, which is not bad either, but I'd rather pay a little extra and get something I'm actually going to use. And so yeah, so this next deal is on the Pillsbury cookie dough. It is priced at $3.68, and this is a freebie on ShopMe if you haven't signed up for it yet. It's for new accounts only, so Joseph was super awesome and supportive as he always is. And so yeah, so grabbing one of these, you'll pay the $4.68, but you're going to get back $5.50 on ShopMe. I'm making this a $1.82 moneymaker. Also going to be grabbing the core keto bar again. It's priced at $2.18. And you're going to get back $8 on Ibotta. I'm also going to submit for the free offer for the Aisles app. It is a limit of 1, but of course if you're using your link and someone uses it, then you get a free one, making this $8 moneymaker. This next deal is on the Mr. Clean multi-surface cleaner. I've been stocking up on this, you guys. I think it's a really great deal. Now I already did my Ibotta rebate, getting back the $3.25. I did it in my last haul. But again, stocking up on this using the BOGO coupon right here, utilizing the overage from other things to help pay for this basically. And so you're gonna grab a total of 2 of them, again priced at $3.24 using this BOGO coupon right here. You're gonna end up paying $3.23 out of pocket. I'm making them $1.61 each, but like I said, using overage to help pay for this. And so yeah. And of course we're gonna be grabbing the Airwick warmer again. It's priced at $1.98. We're using this free coupon right here. Making this absolutely free. This next deal is going to be on the finished Quatnum. It's priced at $4.12. We're going to grab one of these. We'll be using this $2 coupon right here from the Smart Source 101. Now I know some of you guys are asking if the rebate went through for me. I don't have any exclusions as far as coupons for the finish on my app, but it seems that some people may have an exclusion. I don't. And so I'm going to grab one. Again, using a $2 coupon, I'll end up paying $2.12 out of pocket and getting back $1.50 on Ibotta, making it only 62 cents. Okay, next deal I'm grabbing again is on the Polydent. It's on the brush. It's priced at $3.74. You're going to grab one of them, get back $1.50 on Ibotta, and then $2 on coupons.com, making that only 24 cents. I was going to grab the Poise. I thought it might work. The $2 rebate might work on these here, but it's not scanning. One that is working for the $2 one is this one up here. It's priced at $5.46. For that, I have a $2.50 coupon right there. Plus $2 back on Ibotta would make that like 96 cents, which is more than I want to pay for some pads. So this is what we're gonna have pay for our Mr. Clean. So I grabbed some of these yesterday at a different store. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some more of today. It's on the Revlon lipstick right here. It's number 43. It's usually the one that's cheapest online. It's that one. And then the Goddess one, which is right here. This one usually is too. I think that one is regular price now though. And so we're gonna go ahead and grab this one here, which is number 43. There goes that UPC, the very top one, Midnight Mystery. So I'm gonna grab that, priced at $135. I'll be using this $3 coupon right here from our inserts, which is gonna end up giving me $1.65 of overage. So basically, I'm gonna grab one of these and it's gonna pay for one of the Mr. Clean. So if I grab 4 Mr. Clean, we're grabbing 4 of these, making everything free. The other option is, of course, to grab the eyeshadow palette, the Decadent one, which is $5.05. Those are $161 online. So if you want to price match that price, then it's gonna make that's gonna actually give you a total of $139 in overage. And so I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna grab the lipsticks to help pay for our Mr. Clean. And so yeah. So as you guys have seen me get these before, it's 500. That's I think $228, and then 505 is $226. All right. There goes the UPCs. So I'm gonna price match 505 at $226. I'll be using this $3 coupon right here from the inserts, and I'm basically gonna end up getting 74 cents of overage for each one. I just happened to be checking CoverGirl because I know that we have a CoverGirl face rebate on Ibotta, and I saw this one for $4.38. It's only on the 110 translucent, and so for this we're going to be using this $3 coupon right here from inserts. There's also a digital one on coupons.com, Alexa, ShopMium, but I believe it's only $2. And so we'll use the $3 coupon. Hopefully it scans perfectly fine. It should. Pay $138 out of pocket, but we'll get back $2 on Ibotta, which will then make it a 62-cent money maker. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this as well. As far as the CoverGirl smoothers, the creamy beige, which is $7.50, is I believe it is $4.58. Use a $3 coupon there. Pay $148 out of pocket, get back to on Ibotta. I'll make that a 42-cent money maker. So we got some rebates for Referral. There's no coupons that I know of, and I think this rebate excludes the coupon. I don't think it excludes the coupon, but there is no coupon. Go figure. I bet you if there was a coupon, it would exclude the coupon. So for this, I'm gonna grab some that are cheaper online. I know that Pitch Black is, and Pink Blink, I believe is, and this one here, Trust You, is as well for anywhere between $118 and $139. I'm gonna grab Trust You for $118, and then it'll end up making that an 82-cent money maker with a limit of 3. So I'm gonna grab 3 of those, and then I'll grab this crimson one here before. We're price matching the online price for that one, which is $1.70. So we'll get back to the on Ibotta. It'll make that a 30-cent money maker. So we're gonna grab eye, we're gonna grab lip, and then as far as face, some of these are on clearance for or not on clearance, but cheaper online for $2.40. You just have to scan them and see. I know that the Deep Mocha one is one. So it'd make it like 40 cents, but I'm not trying to pay for something I'm definitely not going to use. And so, yeah. So I'm at a different store, and they actually have these even cheaper. They're $2.92. And all of these are $2.92. It's $1.25, $1.20, and $1.15. And then there goes the UPCs. All right, so I'm not sure if this is going to reset for me on Ibotta, but it's $2.92. Use a $3 coupon. You'll end up getting like 8 cents of overage. If it does reset on Ibotta, you'll get back the $2, so it'll be like a $2 moneymaker for each one. So I'm gonna go ahead and just grab 3 of these, and if it resets, cool. If not, that's cool too, because it was free anyways. And so yeah, they also have some of these on clearance as well. I'm not sure if these will work for the Ibotta rebate because I've already submitted my receipt at the other store, so I'm not sure if it'll scan or not. But check for that as well. And I don't see anything else on clearance for CoverGirl. And so, alright guys, here is my complete haul for today. You guys, I almost used just about all of my Mr. Clean. My goal was to use them all. I think I may still have 2 or 3 left. I gave one to another lady that I saw buying some, and so I gave her one. I might have maybe 2 left, but for this haul, I grabbed a total of 30. This is the last 3 days. This is a combination of 3 different stores. So no, I didn't go to one store and grab them all. I went to 3 stores from the 9th up until today, the 11th, grabbing them up. I think it's a great deal. Again, if I can use the makeup, the overage from the makeup to help pay the total down, it makes them practically free. I was able to use up the rest of my Airwick coupons as well. Again, multiple stores, multiple trips, all right, multiple days. All right, I was really stoked to do the Splenda. I'm hoping that it resets because that is my sweetener of choice. I've been using the Splenda liquid, so hopefully that will reset and I can do it again and really be able to stock up on that. I did find some more of these, this particular one at a different store, and it was a lot cheaper. So hopefully that resets. I did do 2 separate transactions. If it resets, then I'll throw that into my next haul. Because I'm not sure if it's going to reset on Ibotta. The only remote that I ended up price matching was the lip, because that one store that I went to, they had the eye, but that was the store that was giving me the biggest issue with price matching. And they normally don't give me issues. And I know that the lady was, I feel like she was wrong and she was just saying whatever she could for me to not do it. But when I price match it, I price matched where it says buy online for this price. She was saying it has to actually say shipped by Walmart. I'm just like, if it says online at Walmart, it's at Walmart. And I was just like, it wasn't going to work out, you know, and I rarely ever have issues or situations like that. But when I do, it's like, no matter how many times I tell her she was wrong, if she believes that she's right, I mean, she's holding the keys, you know what I mean? So I can't really do anything. My hands are tied. So I did get some stuff at that store, but I pretty much had to walk away for the most part. And the store that I went to next, it was an even better deal. Like, I say that to say that just because things don't work out at one store doesn't mean it's not gonna work out at the next store. Most often than not, I think it does work out better at the next store. And I really try to not let the cashiers and stuff really get to me, because she was so wrong. But I couldn't tell her nothing, and she wasn't even a manager. The manager actually said, yeah, but she was saying, oh, it has to say this. And the manager was like, oh, okay, like, use the manager, like, play your role, use the manager. And so, but I had to walk away. But yeah, but I was able to use pretty much all of my Mr. Clean, which is my goal, because I think it's such a great deal, even without having the overage. Well, the overage just made it sweeter. So because I was able to find the Revlon overage, I used a little bit of CoverGirl overage. And of course we had the lip, which is the best overage, because that basically made it like even Steven. Like, those are $162 each. This was overage $165 each. So it made it perfect. If you could buy 4 of these and 4 of these, all free, perfect, right? Other than that, you guys, everything you see here retails $228.88. This is $17.12 in tax. We had $185.32 in coupons, which is just mad crazy. Which brought the out-of-pocket down to $43.56, which is just crazy, right? That's it. This is like $230 worth of product. Closer to $250 after tax, and we paid $43 after coupons, which is awesome. All right, so what I got back $29.20 from Ibotta, $5.50 from ShopMium, which you don't see the cookie dough. Actually, let me grab it. I totally forgot about the cookie dough. So this is a ShopMium deal. All right, so ShopMium was $5.50, and then Aisles for the core bars was $6.54, and then $2 for coupons.com for the Polydent. So we got back a total of $43.24. in rebates, which nets everything that you see here at 36 cents, you guys. That's free, all right? We're just gonna look at that as 36 cents, that's free, all right? Quarter dime and a penny, that's free, okay? And even after tax, it'll net us at about $17.48, which still isn't bad after tax. And so, other than that, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to show your girl a little love by liking this video, especially if you made it this far. Other than that, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.